Ever wondered why some organizations or leaders achieve things that completely exceed our expectations, defying all our assumptions? Why do some people command greater loyalty and inspire profound action? Join us as we explore Simon Sinek's Start with Why, uncovering the secrets behind impactful leadership and groundbreaking innovation. In a world cluttered with what to do and how to do it, Simon Sinek introduces a transformative concept, the Golden Circle. It's not about the what or the how, but the why, the core belief that inspires every action we take. Let's dive into how why can illuminate the path to exceptional leadership and groundbreaking achievements. Our actions are driven not by logic but by emotion, anchored in the limbic part of our brain. Sinek enlightens us on how understanding this biological truth can revolutionize our approach to leadership and innovation, connecting deeply with those around us on an emotional level, driving loyalty and action. From Martin Luther King Jr. to Steve Jobs, leaders who've changed the world began with why. They knew their purpose, inspired trust, and ignited a fire within people to strive for more. These leaders didn't just sell a product or a vision, they shared a belief, turning followers into advocates. Your why provides clear direction, cutting through the haze of doubt and competitive noise. Sinek demonstrates how starting with why offers a clear advantage, enabling leaders and organizations to stand out, inspire, and make meaningful impacts in their fields and beyond. Embrace your why and witness the ripple effect. Your belief can inspire others, creating a wave of change and innovation. Sinek's Start with Why isn't just a method. It's a movement, a call to shift our perspective and ignite the spark of change within and around us. Embark on a journey of self-discovery and clarity. First, delve deep to uncover your own why. What drives you? What's your purpose? Reflect on this and let it guide your decisions and actions. Second, communicate your why to the world. It's not just about what you do or how you do it, but why you do it that resonates with others and inspires action. Start conversations with why and watch the transformation unfold in your interactions, your leadership, and your life. As we conclude our journey with Start with Why, remember that your why is the compass that can guide you through the complexities of life and leadership. It's the spark that can ignite passion, inspire action, and bring about transformation. So what will your why inspire?